Why do we fight battles that only leave us wounded? The little leopard was about to learn that true strength isn't always about pushing through.
The Little Leopard.
The sun set over the savanna. The little leopard walked peacefully. Suddenly, a thick thorn bush blocked his path.
Move aside. This is my path.
But the bush stayed silent. Anger flared. He lunged forward, pushing against the sharp needles.
I will break through you,
he growled. But the more he fought, the deeper the thorns pierced his skin. Exhausted and defeated, he finally collapsed. Licking his wounds, he looked at the bush and whispered,
You are not my enemy. I was the one fighting the world. I caused my own pain.
He closed his eyes and breathed. In the stillness, he let his anger go. He stood up, feeling lighter than ever before.
Some battles aren't meant to be won. They are meant to be left behind.
He simply walked around the thorns and disappeared into the golden light.
Listen closely, because the world will tell you that every obstacle is a failure. But today, I finally learned the truth. The thorns weren't there to stop me. They were there to teach me how to move with grace. A rose doesn't apologize for its thorns, and a mountain doesn't move just because a path is rocky. The sharp edges of your life don't define your worth. They protect the beauty that is still blooming inside you. Stop fighting the past and start trusting the journey. Your struggles aren't signs of weakness. They are the marks of your growth. Your scars, your patience, and your strengths. They are enough. You are enough. Exactly where you are.